The architect's own getaway is hidden on the heights of Timraro Island in Stockholm's Archipelago, with an amazing view of the sea from the front and an endless untouched forest as the backyard. The villa, inspired by natural shelters, blurs the boundary between indoor and outdoor environments and becomes one with nature with its vast windows facing both ways, framing nature and its seasons. The building's plinth construction has created a floating feeling and made the least possible impact on the existing plot. Here it is the house that has had to adapt to the environment and not the other way around, which contributes to a nice framing and harmonious feeling. The angled roof creates a spacious and luxurious living environment, and together with optimized steel construction enables two spacious sleeping lofts where guests are led to believe they are gazing out on the stars from simple wind shelters. Situated on a slope, the visual experience from the front leaves its beholders with the impression of a discrete wooden frame, while from the back of the house offers a view straight through the house and the sea horizon. The year-round standard villa is constructed in timber and glass and is placed on a concrete plinth. The lower level includes two bedrooms, one facing the sea and the other the tranquility of the forest. The cave-inspired bathroom is darker with a bathtub facing the forest for meditative relaxation. The kitchen island in combination with the built-in sofa adds a dimension to the open plan of the living room, with a fireplace in its heart. Here's a look at the plan. The house is carefully decorated with a mixture of high-quality Scandinavian interior products in combination with customized solutions where spillover materials from construction have been used to a large degree. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. HDI Home Design Ideas, we'd appreciate it.